I'm Tony Crimlisk. This is a song made popular by Burl Ives, The Big Rock Candy Mountain. Oh, the buzzing of the bees in the cauliflower trees, the soda water fountains, where there's lemonade springs and the bluebird sings in a big rock candy mountain. On a summer's day in the month of May, a burly bum came hiking down a shady lane through a sugar cane. He was looking for his liking. As he strode on, he sang a song of a land of milk and honey, where a bum can stay for many a day, and he won't need any money. Oh, the buzzing of the bees, the cauliflower trees, the soda water fountains, where the lemonade springs, the bluebird sings in the big rock candy mountain. In the big rock candy mountain, the cops have wooden legs, the bulldogs all have rubber teeth, and the hens lay soft-boiled eggs. The farmers' trees are full of fruit, the barns are full of hay. I wanna go where there ain't no snow, where the sleet don't fall and the winds don't blow, in that big rock candy mountain. The farm's trees are full of fruit, the barns are full of hay. I wanna go where there ain't no snow, where the sleet don't fall and the wind don't blow, in that big rock candy mountain. Oh, the buzzing of the bees in the cauliflower trees, the soda water fountains, where the lemonade springs and the bluebird sings, and that big rock candy mountain, that big rock candy mountain. Well, the song The Big Rock Candy Mountain was written, first recorded and copyrighted in 1928 by the American roll aid man, radio personality, actor, singer, songwriter and poet Harry McClintock, also known as Haywire Mac. It's a country folk song describing a hobo's extreme idea of paradise, nirvana, utopia, or the modern version of the medieval context of cocaine, which is also depicted in the British composer Edward Elgar's very popular overture of the same name, subtitled In London Town. Burl Ivanhoe Ives was an American folk singer and an actor with a career that spanned more than 6 decades. He had a big hit with this song, or with a sanitised version of it, in 1949. Ives was a long-time smoker and pipes and cigars, and sadly he died from oral cancer in the summer of 1994, aged 85. As a cancer survivor myself, and in deference to him, I've taken the liberty of changing cigarette trees to candy floss trees. Hope you'll excuse me. There's also a 1943 semi-autobiographical novel by the American writer Wallace Steiger, which took its title from this song. Well, the chords on are pretty straightforward. There's a C chord, an F chord, and a G7. So in fact, the F chord is only used once in the chorus throughout the whole song. Otherwise, it's mostly a C and a G7. So it starts off, introduction, G7. Oh, the buzzing of the bees in the cigarette trees. F, the water fountain. G7, lemonade spring. C, bluebird sing. G7, rock candy mountain. And then the verse starts on a C chord. Summer's day in the month of May. 2 bars. Then a G7, burly bumpkin. Now that pattern of C, C, G7, C is repeated 3 times. Then it goes, as he strolled along, he sang G7, C, G7, milk and honey, where a bumpkin, back to the same pattern of C, 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 G7, C. So pretty straightforward. Strumming pattern, I just use a strum across, thumb across, releasing the pressure so you get that sort of deadening. And then when I play the chords, I go on to a bit more using the floppy fingers. You can have a bit more fun with the rhythm for that bit. Anyway, it's a nice song to sing. It's a fun song. It was very popular, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll have a go at it. It's not too difficult. Anyway, whatever you do, and however you do it, as always, have fun.